You are not alone in having a small kitchen, so many of us can relate. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to give yourself more space. You can be creative when it comes to organizing a small kitchen. Here I am sharing my kitchen tour with you today, which is small but with few tricks and ideas I have created a lot of space. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As I said, I have a small kitchen which is without any pantry. So for creating space to store staple items, I am using this wall space in which I have added few narrow shelf which is enough to store these containers and also not blocking much of my kitchen space. On top shelf, I have kept all my glassware and below that all the staple food containers. It's always better to use stackable containers so that we can maximize every bit of space. Also, when we keep similar things together, like I am keeping all staples here, then it becomes easy to grab things in one go. So here you can see I have utilized the wall space, which not only gives me a little pantry and storage area, but at the same time it is not disturbing my kitchen interior. You can also plan out as per your kitchen space and design to create your own little pantry. This is the other side of my kitchen, and in one corner I have added a wall mounted marble shelf on which I have kept all my mixer grinders and their jars on a big tray type basket to keep them organized. Purpose of keeping everything in a basket is that it becomes very convenient whenever we want to clean such areas. Just below the shelf, I am using this undershelf for my masala box. And below that, I have placed all big trays and chopping board in a DIY box just in the corner near microwave. Top of microwave I always use to keep fruit basket. Just to add little decor, I am using old glass bottles for keeping money plants and few colorful lanterns to give a pretty look to my kitchen. You can just lighten up these lanterns and it will add lots of beauty to your kitchen. I have placed my Philips juicer on a DIY tray and I am using few old coffee mugs to store basic medicines on a foldable rack. I am using this rack only for medicines and other medical necessities, and the other plastic 3-layer shelf for ghee and honey bottles. Also, in a small basket I have stored my phone chargers, as I always use these plug points to charge my phone, so I kept it everything near this plug point. Also, I keep my small chopper on the same rack and few candles which I occasionally use to decorate my kitchen. So this is how I arranged one side of my kitchen. When we use racks and shelf, it gives you enough free counter space for other work and it looks very organized. I am using these pretty mugs just for the decoration and also a pot with this beautiful money plant. I just love how this stems hanging around and gives a very pretty look. And with pots, I have placed few of my customized cake frames. You can also use top of your dishwasher as a storage area. I have placed a big glass jar for few of my cutleries and a water jug on a DIY tray. This wall mounted cabinet is used for all cups and mugs. I am using a foldable rack for placing cups and a tall cup holder to organize these teacups. Below the rack, for utilizing the empty space, I have stored two small baskets for storing small things. This type of chakla belan holder will keep your counter space free, and also these type of towel holder will give you extra space by not engaging much of your counter space. As I have told you before also, that these racks are so convenient to use and things look so organized when we use such type of organizers. I have kept things which we need every time while cooking, minimizing those extra moments which not only makes us tired but also total waste of time. So try to keep things like oil, salt, etc. near your burner to ease your cooking. Windowsill I am using only for small pots and plants and for knives, lighter, etc. So let's check out all the pull-out trolleys. So in my first pull-out, I have placed a big container for small boxes and few of my tea and milk containers. Below that, all big kadai and big utensils. This is my spice pull-out rack in which all spices and dry fruit bottles I have placed. Top pull-out for other cutleries. Below that, I stored small bowls, and in the last one it's for cookers which I use daily. I'm using a door organizer for dishwasher essential and hanging organizer for different pans and strainers. Some other pull-out trolleys for glasses and dinner plates. In my sink area, I utilize the wall area to keep the sink space free. This one is for daily use glasses and down one for big cooker which I use occasionally. Here I placed a big container for water bottles and other kitchen towels. All big containers I kept it here. This shelf I am using for keeping flour, rice and dal containers. Few hanging baskets for foils, small trays and turntable, and a narrow rack I am using for storing onions and potatoes. So I have tried to use all my vertical space to store various things and try to keep the counter space as free as possible. Hope you found these ideas and tips helpful. Do hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye and take care.